In this video, I'll be showing you how to add multiple roles at same company on LinkedIn. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything that you're using. So what you want to go ahead and do is just go over to your profile and then go over to your experience area. So all you got to do is, if I can press this pencil icon and I can edit some things, if I just want to change my role, so I can go ahead and press this pencil icon. I can then press pencil icon on this, let's say, and then I can go ahead and change it to, let's say, whatever I want, right? And I can just go ahead and edit anything. And then once I'm done with it, go ahead and click save. But what I could also do is add multiple roles for the same company. You don't have to just have one role. So what you want to do is press this plus icon right here, and then I'll just do something like senior content creator, as an example. And then obviously YouTube's already there, right? But I can add another one. So I'm just going to do YouTube, select YouTube, and then of course you can do everything else you want. You can put you currently work here, or you can obviously, do you did work there or anything like that. Press next, and then you just gotta, basically make more things. So let's just say I added more things right here, yada, yada, yada. And then I can choose how I want to appear, but I'm just gonna keep my normal thing. I'm not going to share it with my network. And then all you're going to do is click save like so, and then just wait for it to basically save. On the bottom left, it says save was successful, but we're just going to wait for it to probably save like over here. And then once it does, as you can see, it says position saved. Now we can go ahead and skip this. And then we're just going to go ahead and X. Now I'm going to refresh my profile. And now, as you can see, there are two different roles. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.